This is the pure specialty of Oman. This is Omani halwa actually. So you'll find this here too. And see the tradition Al Husni. Making halwa was not that difficult, which I was expecting. You just need to do is like that. Thank you, brother. So we got Mr. Ammar with us. He's from Al Husni Halwa. It's the famous brand of Oman halwa. Now Mr. Ammar is going to tell us how they do this all. So
yes. Here we can see how we make Omani sweet, Omani halwa. We add a lot of ingredients to make Omani halwa, Omani sweet. We add sugar cane, starch, sugar, some honey, zafaran. We add nuts, different type of nuts, pistachio, walnut. We can see here how we can make it. For the packing, we packing in different containers. We have this one as the book. There are two types. We made this by the clay. This traditional container. You can see here. We have also this wood container. We cut this from the plant.
Ah, okay.
Yes,
so this is
yes,
good
yes.
container.
We put the halwa inside this.
For special gifts, huh?
Yes, special gift. We preserve this.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Also, we have some look like the khangar, Omani khangar. We put the halwa inside this. You can see. Yes, Omani halwa here.
So it's inside the khanjar, right?
Yes, inside the khangar.
So guys, this is a pure traditional thing which you'll find in Oman. Without Omani halwa, Oman is sort of, the tradition of Oman is not getting complete. So once you are in Oman, you must have to try this Omani halwa. It's a must eatable thing in Oman. Thank you.